Can a 1,020 horsepower Tesla Model S Track Plaid match the speed of an 1,100 horsepower GT500 Super Snake on the Nelson Ledges road course? I'm SS Bob, and I'll answer that here on The Sound of Speed. What a perfect day for comparing two track-focused production cars at the Nelson Ledges road course. These cars could not be more different. Today, we're going to see how much faster my friend Josh's Mustang GT500 Super Snake is than our Tesla Model S Track Plaid on the track. Let's first take a closer look at the Mustang GT500 Super Snake tuned by Palm Beach Dyno. The heart of this beast is a 5.2-liter supercharged Predator V8. It's rear-wheel drive. It pumps out 970 horsepower on 93 octane and almost 1,100 horsepower on E85. It weighs just over 4,100 pounds, but that's 600 pounds lighter than the Tesla Model S Plaid. So it should have a handling advantage and be faster through the curves. Now let's look at the Model S Track Plaid. It's an EV that generates 1,000 horsepower, 1,050 foot-pounds of torque. It's all-wheel drive. It has the largest carbon ceramic brakes and rotors available, and special track software that can help improve lap times as it learns the track. It weighs over 4,700 pounds. So which car is faster around the Nelson Ledges 2-mile, 13-turn track? The GT500 Mustang Super Snake is smaller, lighter, with slightly more horsepower. This makes it faster in the curves. The supercharged 1,100 horsepower, flat plane crank, 5.2-liter V8 also helps it accelerate rapidly on the straights and has a seductive whine. The Tesla Model S Track Plaid is larger, heavier, with slightly less horsepower. However, it has a lower center of gravity. Its weight makes it slower in the curves, but the lower center of gravity and instant acceleration enables it to exit each curve like a rocket. It can actually catch and out-accelerate the GT500 on the straights. On a longer road course, the Tesla might actually have an advantage and be faster than the GT500. With two experienced owner drivers that have lots of seat time at Nelson Ledges, the GT500 arrives at the finish line 1/2 of a car length sooner than the Tesla. On this short 2-mile track with 13 turns, the lighter, more powerful GT500 beats the Tesla by a nose. It's pretty amazing that the Tesla Model S Track Plaid can even hang with a GT500 Super Snake on a road course.
So Josh, we've met each other at track day, but you came today. You brought the green monster.
Yeah.
What do you think? Did you enjoy yourself?
It was a phenomenal event, and I appreciate it, the invite, and thank you for putting it on. It was a first class event you put on here. The cars that were here were a riot to be out on the track with. All the people here were awesome. The host was gracious, right?
Thank you.
So yeah, no, it was a really good event. This is a phenomenal track, and
so tell me, you and Paul kept exercising your machine here. Tell me a little bit more about it.
So this is a 2022 GT500. It's got the Palm Beach Dyno 1100 package, which is.
Does that come from Shelby?
No, well, I shipped it to Palm Beach Dyno. They're a company that does tuning. They're one of the well-known companies that tunes Mustangs, and they change injectors and pulleys and there's a whole laundry list of parts that I
Did they rebuild the motor?
no, nope,
Really?
bolt-on stuff, and a tune. So
That's
93 93 pump gas. It's supposedly 960, 970, and on E85, which we reflashed it to today, it's 1096, 1098, so 1100 horsepower. So it gets out of its own way. It's a good time.
So Paul got 10 miles more out of it today because of that?
No, so he did a hot lap, and he said he hit 165 before braking, and for the kink, and then was hitting 130 something before braking there. Hey, if it's something fast that's on a track, I enjoy it.
I wouldn't mind taking this around for a lap.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, by all means, go for it. So
Yeah, so maybe we'll go out now and
all right.
call it a celebratory end to the day.
There we go. All right, sounds good. Thank you again. I do appreciate it.